Hello! This is my first travel vlog to a cemetery. I never used to traditionally have an interest in spooky cemetery walks or travels, but my best friend and I had a talk about it. I used to actually find it creepy and weird. People liked going to cemeteries. So she pointed out it's not creepy at all. It's an entire memorial to how much people loved every single individual here. And that turned my attitude around to cemeteries of being a spooky place, ooh, don't go there, to a place where you can appreciate how interconnected we all are, how much one life matters to so many people. Here I am at a cemetery in Colorado, but I've also, most notably I think, been to a cemetery in Scotland, and I'll show you some pictures from that.